In a world where waiting for a kidney is longer than waiting for your crush to text back, scientists have gone full Tony Stark and started printing human organs. Yeah, you heard that right. We're basically becoming cyborgs, minus the cool robot parts. Stick around, because this is about to get weirder than that time your grandma tried to explain TikTok. Every day, thousands of people around the world are waiting for an organ transplant, like a kidney, liver, or heart. But here's the problem, there aren't nearly enough donors to go around. Imagine waiting for years just for a chance to live. So scientists got to thinking, what if we could just make organs, like custom-built spares? Sounds crazy, but they're already making big strides. Today we're diving into something that sounds faker than my ex's promises, artificial organs. But unlike those promises, this is actually real. We're not talking about stuffing people with PlayStation parts. These are actual living organs that work better than my motivation on Monday mornings. This isn't the printer you use to make a plastic keychain. This one's way cooler. Using something called bioprinting, scientists use special bio inks made of living cells to layer by layer print organs. Imagine building a liver the same way you'd build a Lego set, one tiny piece at a time. Let me flex some scientific wins that'll make your mind do backflips. They've made bladders, blood vessels, skin patches, and mini organs called organoids. But wait! There's more. Scientists are now 3D printing human tissue. It's like your home printer, except it doesn't run out of cayenne when you're trying to print in black and white. Here's the 5-step recipe for cooking up an organ. Kids, don't try this at home. Yoink some cells from the patient. Painlessly, we're not savages. Grow them in the lab, like a Tamagotchi but more expensive. Put them on a scaffold. Think IKEA furniture but for your body. Add growth factors, basically Red Bull for cells. Wait for the magic, and congratulations! You've won yourself a brand new organ that your body won't ghost like your Tinder matches. Now, you might be thinking, if this is so great, why isn't everyone walking around with designer organs? Well, turns out some things are harder to make than a successful TikTok dance. It's not that easy. Building organs that work like the real thing is really hard. First, they have to get all the cells to connect and function properly, and then there's the blood supply problem. Real organs have tons of tiny blood vessels, and scientists are still figuring out how to make those. Hearts are super complicated, unlike my ex's emotional range. Blood vessels are trickier than explaining NFTs to your grandma, and sometimes these organs are like me trying to adult, but our lab coat heroes aren't giving up. They're working harder than me trying to hit my step count goal. Picture this, walking into a hospital like it's Subway. Yes, I'd like one heart, hold the cholesterol, and can you make it snappy? We're not there yet, but scientists are working on printable hearts, lab-grown lungs, and artificial pancreases for diabetes patients. So next time someone says we're not living in the future, tell them we're literally printing human organs. That's more sci-fi than my dating life. Smash that like button harder than I smash my alarm snooze button, and tell me in the comments which organ you download first.